Welcome to Buddha Gyan, your guide to wisdom and inspiration. Today, we are diving into a topic that can transform your days and boost your productivity: mindfulness practices. Let's unlock the secrets to a more focused and fulfilling life. Point 1. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is like giving your mind a little break. It's about being fully present in the moment, paying attention to what you are doing without worrying about the past or the future. Point 2. Deep breathing exercise. Start your day with a deep breathing exercise. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly. This simple practice calms your mind and sets a positive tone for the day. Point 3. Mindful morning routine. Turn your morning routine into a mindful ritual. Whether it's sipping your coffee or brushing your teeth, savor each moment. Enjoy the textures, smells, and sensations. Point 4. Focus on one task at a time. Avoid multitasking. When working on something, give it your full attention. It's amazing how much more you can accomplish when you're fully immersed in a task. Point 5. Mindful eating. Next time you eat, put away distractions. Focus on the flavors, textures, and the act of eating itself. Mindful eating not only improves digestion but also brings a sense of gratitude to your meals. Point 6. Take mindful breaks throughout the day. Take short breaks to breathe and refocus. It could be a few minutes of stretching, a walk, or simply closing your eyes and resetting. Point 7. Gratitude pause. Pause during the day to reflect on something you're grateful for. It could be a small achievement, a kind gesture, or simply the sunshine outside your window. Point 8. Mindful listening. Practice mindful listening in conversations. Truly hear what others are saying without planning your response. It strengthens connections and builds understanding. Point 9. Unplug before bed. Create a mindful bedtime routine by unplugging from screens at least 30 minutes before sleeping. Engage in calming activities like reading or gentle stretching. Point 10. Reflect at the end of the day before you sleep. Take a moment to reflect on your day. Acknowledge your achievements, express gratitude, and let go of any worries. This sets the stage for a restful night. Remember, mindfulness is a gift you give to yourself. By incorporating these simple practices into your day, you'll find a sense of peace, increased focus, and a more productive you. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Buddha Gyan for more wisdom on your journey to self-discovery. Until next time, stay mindful, stay inspired.